Now you see, this is a question which can be discussed as a concept also. The question says select the odd one. Odd one means which is a wrong option or an incorrect option with reference to sexual reproduction. So, of what we know regarding sexual reproduction, you are supposed to pick up which is the wrong option, which does not agree with the fundamental process of sexual reproduction. Now, if you see, let us discuss option A at the last. We will start coming from option D. Option D says fusion of gametes results in the formation of zygote. Yes, fertilization followed by zygote is sexual reproduction. So this is true. Try writing true or false because it gives you a practice of understanding and ruling out what is correct. Offsprings are not identical to the parents. As I told in the concept video, if the offspring is identical without variation, then this is the definition of asexual reproduction, not sexual reproduction. That means in sexual reproduction, offsprings are not identical. So this is also a true statement with reference to sexual reproduction. Now if you see option B, juvenile phase is called vegetative phase in plants. Yes, this is also true, NCERT point. Okay, and then if you come to the option A, diverse organisms show great diversity in sexual mode of reproduction. We tend to feel this is a right statement. Diverse organisms does not show great diversity in sexual mode of reproduction. Whether it is a cockroach, which is a non-chordate, whether it is a frog, which is a vertebrate amphibian, whether it is a lizard, which is a vertebrate reptile, completely terrestrial organism, whether it is human species. How do sexual reproduction will occur? Gametes are produced, gametes will fuse, fertilization results in the formation of zygote. Zygote undergoes embryogenesis to give rise to embryo, and embryo develops into offspring. Do we have any change in the process of sexual reproduction? Irrespective of which organism at different standards of evolution I just told now, the method of sexual reproduction is same. There is no diversity in sexual reproduction method. The process is same. The species are different. You get that? So if I have to say you the correct version of option A, diverse organism does not show great diversity in sexual mode of reproduction. All of them show same process in the process of sexual reproduction is what would be the correct statement. So for me the answer is option A, because among the given options this is the wrong one.